Dear colleagues, I'm pleased to introduce you to our new Ukraine reconstruction platform, a modern digital tool for coordinating and tracking recovery projects for infrastructure. This platform has an intuitive, user-friendly interface that allows you to easily navigate and access up-to-date information about the projects. The platform connects three main resources: the state platform Dream, Prozorro, and PublicBid, which allows us to provide you with the most relevant projects, recovery, and also receive fresh updates. It provides automatic translation of information from Ukrainian to English, making it accessible for foreign companies. Thanks to the convenient navigation, you can familiarize yourself with project descriptions, track them, receive email notifications, and also register to participate in tenders. In addition, our platform allows companies to easily find potential partners, both Ukrainian and foreign, and participate in the reconstruction of infrastructure. All participants have access to a forum where important issues can be discussed with other industry players. Another important advantage is the convenient subscription system for annual access to the platform. It gives you the opportunity to receive a free virtual booth at 2 online Rebuild Ukraine events and 2 tickets for company representatives. So let's move on to the presentation.
Dear colleagues, I am pleased to introduce the Rebuild Ukraine portal, a modern digital tool designed to enhance project coordination, personalization, and tracking, complete with email alerts. We developed this portal to address a key challenge. While the Dream and Prozorro platforms serve essential roles in Ukraine's reconstruction, they were not built with foreign businesses in mind. As a result, they do not provide the seamless user experience that many international companies seek. At the same time, Dream and Prozorro remain the official Ukrainian government platforms for the Rebuild Ukraine program, and in the case of Prozorro, for all public sector contracts. To ensure comprehensive and up-to-date information, our portal integrates directly with these platforms, as well as with the e-tender platform PublicBid. It is important to note that all official tender responses must go through a Ukrainian government-recognized platform like PublicBid. Companies cannot sign up to Prozorro independently. A major challenge for foreign businesses is navigating the sheer volume of projects listed on these platforms, making it difficult to track opportunities that align with their interests. Additionally, some information on Prozorro is published only in Ukrainian, creating further barriers to international participation. The portal automatically translates this information into English. The ICC Rebuild Ukraine portal directly addresses these challenges. In addition to offering a user-friendly interface, it serves as a central hub for companies interested in the Rebuild Ukraine program. To foster collaboration and knowledge sharing, we will also host biannual virtual forums where participants can exchange ideas and develop partnerships. We look forward to your engagement and participation in this important initiative. Any suggestions you may have to improve and develop it will be gratefully received. Okay, let's have a first look at the portal. Now you can see the main page which has navigation where you can read about the program, you can read about the forum, there is a contact page. You can also either log in through the login button or click subscribe, after which the pop-up will be activated. The portal has its own subdomain, rebuild.iccua.org. To subscribe, you simply complete all the fields shown. Click the Submit button. You will then be sent to the Stripe platform, where you will need to pay for an annual subscription. After payment, you will have access to the platform, and you will be automatically redirected back to the platform where you can already be logged in and see your profile. On this slide, you can see and edit your personal profile, where you will automatically see the information you provided on the registration form. That is, your first name, last name, email, and telephone number, as well as your subscription information. A key element of your profile is setting the categories of projects that interest you, as we will see on the next slide. There are 2 key characteristics you can set for the automatic filtering of projects. These are the industry categories and the minimum estimated value of a project. Especially in Prozorro, there are thousands of small value tenders which are unlikely to interest you. By setting these filters, the portal will not bring them to your attention. You will only be shown those projects that fit your interests. On the other hand, for projects that do match your interest, As and when new projects are posted or when existing projects have a change of status, you will receive an email notification that they can now be viewed in your project listings. You also have the facility to manually flag projects as not being of interest. Another feature is the ability to group projects according to status and/or specific category or subcategory. The next slide should give you a better idea of what we mean. On this slide, you can see a list of projects that already exist on the platform. You can also filter by category, status, and search for a specific request. You can immediately see which projects to track and which to hide so that they don't interfere. Clicking on a project will open a page with more details as you see on the next slide. This page shows the project with a lot more detail. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that the information is automatically translated into English, although the original information is in Ukrainian. We receive all projects from the state platforms Dream and Prozorro, which allows us to cover the most relevant public projects in Ukraine and keep the information up to date, keeping the projects always fresh and relevant, and inform you about them. If you are interested in having even more details about a particular project, you simply click the Add to Track button. Once you have clicked on what you want to follow, you will receive notifications to your email. At the moment, this is a demonstration of an example of an email forum. But in any case, you will receive letters of this kind when a new project in your niche appears, or some change in the project you have subscribed to. Also, if you click on the Project Details button on Prozorro, you will already see this project that is on the tender, that is, you can register for it, apply for it, and take part in its implementation. It has all the information you need, what the conditions are, who they are looking for, so you can simply register your interest. In the Help Desk section, you can find all the necessary contacts to get the information you need and resolve any problems you may be experiencing. The benefits of the portal are clear. It provides a single interface into 3 platforms, early warning of upcoming projects, an easier automated project tracking system, automated translation of Ukrainian text into English. Plus, you get the benefits set out in the next slide. The annual subscription includes unlimited access to the portal free virtual stand at 2 biannual Rebuild Ukraine online events, 2 corporate delegate tickets to 2 biannual Rebuild Ukraine online events. The annual subscription costs just USD 2,500 plus VAT if applicable. Go to rebuild.iccua.org, use the coupon shown for 50% off, but hurry, this coupon will expire on Saturday, 22nd of March.